Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday and I hope you all had a great week. Well, today we're going to be working on the one I was talking about the other day. I call it the cat with the fish, and I'll bring it up close because this is the only picture I have of this. I believe it is a Mona Lisa cross stitch. I'm not sure. I did get it from DPClubs in 2022. And today we're going to be working right over here in this part of the pattern. And the color today is going to be 321 red. And of course I have my koi out because we have a fish. And here is that red. It's what I deem Christmas red because that's what it looks like to me. It's a pretty true red. Now I'm going to pull you down. Let's see here. Hopefully that will be good. It is 11 count and it has 27 colors in it. So, yay. And I've got quite a bit of it done. I'll show you that when I get done here today. So, are we excited for the weekend? Gonna do anything trip the light fantastic? I'm not. No. Yes, I get to go do laundry today. Yeah, that's as fantastic as it gets here. And I'm not going to go to the grocery store. I have no reason to go any further into town that I know of. Yesterday I had to run some errands and I had to go get some boxes at the liquor store for my daughter because, like I said, they're cleaning that house out. I said, well, I'm in town, and she was just a little bit out of town. I know, I'm moving around here. Sorry, I decided that I didn't want to stitch like that. That just was not going to work. All right. It was just going in the wrong direction. So anyway, I ran and got those and took them out to where she was. And I stopped off at the, they call it a restore. It's one of those Habitat for Humanity stores. So they have building supplies, and this place also has furniture. So I was looking for a table and looking to see if they had any decent used sewing machines. So, yeah, nothing. I didn't buy a thing. I went home and I sat and watched Bridgerton, for a bit, kind of off and on. I was looking at stuff, kind of like tutorials on YouTube, because that's my biggest resource for any kind of research and anything that I'm working with. So I find it quite indispensable. Oh, I did stop off at the sewing store and I picked up some more fat quarters. Oh, just a few. Because I needed something with some kind of a pattern in it. Because I have a lot of solid colored things. So did that, but that was about it. Just not in the mood. And then I fixed one of my famous hamburgers. Had that with a few chips, and that was dinner. And it was just way too much food, so I laid down, took an hour nap. Yeah, couldn't handle myself. Some days you just need it. So, fun times. So I don't think today will be that exciting at all. I didn't want to go to the, what do you call it, the thrift store yesterday. Just going the places I needed to go and then just go home. So, what else did I stitch on? That Oh my goodness. Joy on a Branch. Holy cow. I know if we change the name of it, I'll never remember that part either. See, so we might as well just keep it what it is. So, yeah, I really like that one. Just like the way it's sewing up. I think it's going to have to wait to kind of see the overall picture as to how much more backstitching, excuse me, backstitching that I would attempt to put into it, if it needed it or not. You know, sometimes it just needs it to bring it out the detail a little bit more. So, yeah, fun times. And let's see. I have no idea what I'm going to be sewing on tomorrow. But the theme for Saturday stitching is anything that begins with the letter S. So, your choice, whatever you want to do. Now, you can stitch or do what other craft thing you do as long as it begins with the letter S. Not the craft, but like if you're working on a seashell or a sea bag, or I can't think of too many things that begin with an S, but it'll be interesting. So however you deem that possible, or whatever you want to do, works for me. And if anybody has anything they'd like to share, that also will be at 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, USA, tomorrow. It's always at 1 o'clock on Saturday. There was a point, the reason it is 1 o'clock is there was a point where I was working real early in the morning, so couldn't go to work and get a video done before that point. So, yeah. And I just kept it at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It sounded also like a good time to sit down and get yourself a cup of coffee, a couple cookies, or some kind of snack, or some tea, or some hot chocolate, or whatever, and just relax. And that is orange. Oh, no, it isn't. All right. Be that way. I'm telling you, some days we have to lose this thread before it comes off the needle, and then I won't be able to get it back. Sometimes if I don't have enough thread, I'll just tie it about 4 times together. It is 3 strands, so it works fine. Like I started to say, put that needle down, Laura, before you get talking, and then you don't know where it's at. If anybody has anything they would like to share, feel free to send it to my email address, and, just maybe the name of it or what it is, and I will get it into the next stitch with me as soon as I possibly can. Okay, fish, you're going to have to go up there just a tad bit. So what is everybody else working on? Hope you're working on something that brings you joy. Life is too short to work on something that you just can't stand to work on, or you think is actually going to turn out, and it's just one frustration after another. That's called time to walk away. Walk away, put it away, and come back to it in a month. And, yeah. See if you feel the same way. And if not, and you think it's horrible, throw it away. Seriously, we don't. At this point, we don't have a whole bunch into all this. The only thing I really have money into is my counter cross stitch, because I buy the fabric and I buy the pattern and then I buy the thread. Yeah, but this, no, it's just not worth it. And I've gotten patterns that I thought, oh, yay, this is going to be so great. Yeah, no, not. We're talking London, New Orleans, what else was like confetti crazy? Yeah. Oh, that Tower Bridge thing. Yeah. No. Oh, and my daughter's green dragon. Oh, every other thread is a different color. Seriously, honest God. And top that all off, it's in 14 count. It is in a box on the bottom somewhere where I have no idea where it's at, and I probably don't want to look at it like for the rest of my life, you know? No. I bought it for my daughter. You can still get this pattern today if you're a brave soul. Yeah, I bought it for my daughter for her birthday. Thought it'd be great. She liked dragons. I didn't even realize it was 14 count. I thought it was 11. And she hasn't done that much cross stitch. She wouldn't do it. I went over there and I said, okay, tell you what, I'll take it back and I'll stitch it for you. No. That didn't happen either. I called her up and I apologized, and I could not get it or find it in 11 count at all. Nope, not going there. Frame the picture and walk away. Yep, that's how that would work for me. So it's still in its original, and it's a Joy Sunday kit too. Yeah, nope. I mean, I'd have to be pretty damn right bored to work on that sucker. Or somebody'd have me in a cast and I was and bedridden, I couldn't go do anything. I could take one thread color at a time and work that all and then go to the next and so on. So, yeah, no. Nope. If you see that dragon, I wish I had a picture of it. Not going looking for it either. Oh, geez. But if I happen to see it at some other, one of the stores I do a review for or something, I'll take a picture so you can actually see what it looks like. Oh, jeeps. So, yeah, they're still trying to clean that house out. So they might be at it for another week. She goes over there during the week, and then he helps her, on his 2 days off. So, yeah. Fun times. Rained last night. I mean, late. Because, excuse me. It was weird. It was like 8:30 and it just rained for a couple hours. Just kind of a slow rain. Nothing too horrific or anything. So I don't know what that was all about, but the day was absolutely beautiful. No problems, none of the time I was running around. So, yay. So I have no idea what it's going to do today. I wasn't even expecting that rain at all. But I was done going anywhere for the day, so it didn't really make a difference if it rained or if it didn't. But it was just weird. And I guess I didn't even look at the weather during the day because, like I said, it was beautiful. So, a few people in town were having I think it extends through the weekend. We're having some kind of, we'll call it a Bronco, as in Bronco car convention down at our rodeo ground. So there was a few people in town. I wouldn't say it was overrun or horribly busy like, what do you call it, Labor Day was. So, because the roads were like empty, and then they'd be a little full and then empty, and that was it. So it wasn't too horrible going back and forth as I was riding down and back to where my daughter was at. So I was pretty happy I didn't have to, drive against traffic or sit in traffic and that kind of thing. So we're just not used to it. That's half of it, because it's a small town. It's not like we're talking Denver, New York, LA, where traffic is bad certain times of day. No. We don't get traffic. Except in the summer. Let me just put that right there. All right, let me flip this around and pull this out. I'll see if I can. So I've almost conquered this whole side right here. There's 2, maybe 3 symbols, but this side on this side over here is going to look like this. So it's symmetrical. And then there's a fish here. Here's his head and his tail's up there. So it might need a little bit of back stitching on that. It didn't call for it, but I might put some in. But just basically, I've been working on the top part of that. So yeah, I just think it's a beautiful, beautiful pattern. Just absolutely love it. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.